Hello.
Hi.
Yes, our today's guest is Nadid. Yes, you have seen our today's guest. So let's start today's video. Our today's topic is how to make a phone call, and the topic is asking reason for the call. We have conducted two previous classes about how to make a phone call. If you haven't seen the class is in the description box and in the I button. You can use anyways to see the video. And let's start today's lesson, asking the reason for your call. So let's start. Our first structure is, what can I do for you? It could be used in formal or informal English everywhere. So the structure is, what can I do for you? Okay, is it Nadid there?
He's speaking. What can I do for you?
I am calling you to know the homework.
Oh, wait a moment.
Sure. Number 2. Can I ask what is it connection with? It's very exclusive. Listen carefully. Can I ask what it is connection with? Example. Hello.
Hi.
I speak to the manager.
Regarding what? Do you want to talk?
I wanna buy the fridge.
Okay. Hold on. I'll connect you.
Number 3. What's the reason of calling? It is used in informal English. Let's see the example. Hello Nadid.
Hi. How are you?
Fine. And you?
As usual. What's the reason for calling?
Calling you to telling you the notice. Why are you calling? It's our fourth structure. Let's see the example. Hello Nadid.
Hi. Who is it?
I'm in teacher.
Oh, I see. Why are you calling?
Ask about the lesson. Number 5. Could I know what's the reason? Let's see the example. Is it Akif there?
No, it's Nadib.
Take the phone to Akif please.
Could I know what's the reason?
Wanna know about the money? Can I help you? It's our sixth and the last structure of this class. Let's see the example. Assalamualaikum. Is it Nadid?
Walaikum assalam. Yes. How can I help you?
I wanna know how to make a cake. As far as I know, you know it, yeah?
Yeah, I know.
Thanks for staying with us till then, and see you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe.